Hello everyone, today we are going to solve this SQL question from StrataScratch. I will give the link of this question in the description so that you can try before looking at the solution. So the question is highest cost orders. We need to find the customers with the highest daily total order cost between the mentioned dates. If a customer had more than one order on a certain day, we need to sum the order costs on a daily basis. Output each customer's first name, total cost of their items, and the date. For simplicity, you can assume that every first name in the dataset is unique. We have two tables, customers and orders. In the customer table, we have the details of customers, and orders table will have the details of the orders. So customer ID is the foreign key in the orders table, which can be used to connect to customers table using ID from customers table. So the goal is to output customer's first name, total cost of their items, and the date. So the total cost is available in orders table. So total order cost is the total cost which we need to add up if we have more than one order day, if we have more than one order on a certain day. And at the end, we need to find the customers with highest daily total order cost between the mentioned dates. So here we need to combine these two tables and we need to group by customer name. We will be grouping by first name of the customer, and we also need to group by the date, because if a customer had more than one order on a certain day, we need to add it. So we need to add up based on the date for each customer. So first I will join these two tables from customers. I will alias this table as C, and I will use join orders table. We need to join by the common key. So on C dot ID equal to O dot customer ID from orders table. So okay, we have joined these two tables. Now we need to filter this table by the given dates. So we will use where we need to get the date. We have the date in orders table. So O dot order date. I will use between, and we need to specify the mentioned dates. So 2019 0201 and 2019 0501. We have filtered out the data with the mentioned dates. So we have data between these two dates. Now we need to group the data based on first name and then the order date, and then we need to add up the total cost, total order cost. So let's use group by customer's first name. So it will be C dot first name. Let's see how we need the output. Expected output should be like this. We need first name, order date, and max cost. Group by first name. After that, we need to group by order date. We have order date in orders table. So O dot order date. Okay. Now we can select the columns that we need. I will select first name, then I need the order date, Now we need to add the total order cost. So O dot total order cost as max cost. We can put this in a CTE so that we can get the top customers with highest daily total order cost with CTE as. Now we need to rank the customers based on the max cost. So we will create another CTE for ranking the customers. Ranked customers as. So here we need to use rank function. We will select everything from CTE and we will use the rank function here over order by max cost in descending order. Let's name this column as RNK. Now first let's see what will be the output of this CTE. So I will select star from ranked customers. So here you can see that the customers are ranked based on max cost, and this is exactly what we need. And here we can filter out rank wherever we have rank as 1. That will be our output. So write, let's modify the last select statement by selecting the customers where rank is equal to 1. So where RNK is equal to 1. This will be the final answer. So you can see that this will be the output and it is same as expected output. So this is a nice example to understand how to implement CTEs and how to use rank functions. So that is all in this video. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.